As more people get vaccinated, there are still a lot of questions about what the pandemic will bring in the future, from masks to vaccine hesitancy and more.
Fox 2 medical reporter Dan Gray talked with some local stakeholders at the efforts underway to help our region fully reopen. Dan.
Yeah, Vic, it was during a digital conversation today called COVID, the Next Steps on fox2now.com. There was no clear timeline about when restrictions would be lifted, but it is clear St. Louis is back open for business.
Spring break really marked the beginning of the recovery of travel and tourism, certainly here in St. Louis.
Officials say people are coming back en masse to visit the St. Louis area attractions and spend money downtown. Brian Hall with Explore St. Louis said the last week in March, the metro area saw 82% hotel occupancy. But how much longer will the area have to wait to be fully opened? St. Louis County Public Health Director Dr. FAISAL says he would love to say that things will be open and better in about a month. But he says we must err on the side of caution.
I really cannot give you a timeline because the virus and the way the pandemic unfolds is what gives us an indication of what might come next.
The best way to get there is to increase vaccinations and to adhere to the public health strategies. If we can do that, then we'll get there faster, and then you have a greater potential for not having to wear that mask.
Dr. Khan says we shouldn't focus on reaching herd immunity. He says that is an arbitrary target. He says there's plenty of vaccine available, and we need to focus on getting people vaccinated.
Able-bodied individuals who have the ability to get in their car and drive to a vaccination site, that is the population I worry about most, because we are seeing an increase in vaccine hesitancy.
FEMA is in St. Louis to help reach underserved areas. Andrew Meyer with FEMA acknowledged that FEMA hasn't reached their 3,000 daily goal, but is celebrating vaccinating 17,000 people so far.
56% of the people that we have administered doses for come from zip codes throughout St. Louis City and St. Louis County that we targeted initially. These are zip codes with a higher vulnerability to the COVID-19.
Now, we did ask the question about another COVID shot. Will we need a booster shot? Well, the health leaders said there will be a booster shot. They're all pretty certain about that, but it's unclear when you'll need to get that. And you can watch that entire conversation on fox2now.com. Dan Gray, Fox 2 News.